The Irish for Ballinagar is Ballinagar, which means the mouth of a ford of the cars. The old school was situated beside the church. It was a two-classroom school with about 70 students. Back then, children used to bring turf to school. The toilets were outside. The girls learned how to sew in school. In 1949, the new school was built. The master's house was across the road from the school. The old school was then used mainly for the drama society. However, the school that was opened in Ballinagar in 2012 differs greatly from the school in 1949. It has 8 classrooms, whereas the old school only had 3. The church was always the central building in Ballinagar village. It was built in 1837 before the famine times. However, in February 2004, a disaster struck as the villagers watched the church as it burnt to the ground. However, a chalice dating from 1847, the black year of the famine in Ireland, survived the fire. In the early 1930s in Ballinagar village there was only 6 houses. 3 of them were thatched and 3 of them were slated houses. The village had 2 grocer shops, a blacksmith, a church and a school. Throughout the second half of the 20th century the village grew rapidly. Now the village has 3 housing estates and the school enrolls around 200 students every year.